Namo Buddhaya, Sotthi Hotu. Hello, how are you today? Good. Today we will make finger puppet. What is finger puppet? Miss Hera will show you how to make finger puppet. First, we have to prepare some materials. What are the materials? First, a piece of paper with finger puppet template. Then, a scissor. Coloring tools. You can use a crayon or colored pencil. And the last material is glue. Now, let's make a finger puppet. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Now, this is a piece of paper with finger puppet template. Now that it has some lines. Now let's take a scissor. Then let's cut the lines. Tada! The finger puppet is ready, but it has no picture, it has no drawing, it has nothing on it. So, the next thing we have to do is draw a family. We will draw a family. Miss Hera has finished drawing a family members. Now, you can do it at home too. These are Miss Hera's family members. After we finish drawing and coloring family members, we take a glue, open it, and glue this side of the paper like this, and fold it, and to the other side, and fold it. And it will look like this. Now that we have finished with all the steps to make finger puppets, let's put it on our fingers. Let's start with the thumb. index finger. And next, we put it on middle finger. Next, we put it on ring finger. And last, the baby. We put the baby on our pinky. Here it is. Family finger puppet. Nah, here it is. Now it's time to sing family finger song. Are you ready? Okay. Miss Hera will count from 1 to 3. Then we will sing it together while moving our fingers to the song. 1, 2, 3. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? It's fun, isn't it? Nah, you can try it again at home. Okay? Okay. Thank you for watching. Namo Buddhaya, Sotthi Hotu. See you.